Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product unboxing and review videos. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the, I apologize if I mispronounce this, LEVOIT, or LEVOIT, LEVOIT, I'm thinking, HEPA air filter, air purifier. In particular, this is the Core 300 model. So let's get right to the unboxing. So first off, here is a 360 of the box. Okay, so first I'm going to open it up. The reason that we got this is because of the recent pandemic. There have been a lot of claims that air purifiers are good to help with the air, to make sure that because the coronavirus is an airborne virus, this could probably decrease the risk of the coronavirus being transmitted to you if you're in the same home as someone who is infected with it. Another reason why is because it's soon, because winter is coming soon, and because all the windows and all the doors will be tightly shut and double layered, and that means that there's basically going to be little air circulation. And that means that it's very important to have something that can at least filter the air or circulate the air so that you're not just breathing the same air that you breathed out. So now, this is going to be a bit hard to get out. But here is the LEVOIT HEPA Air Purifier. Now, let me move this aside. While I talk about this air filter, we'll probably have, this air purifier, we'll probably have the Amazon page overlaid in the video. But for now, oh my. Okay, so now we can get a full view of the air purifier. So according to the Amazon page, this can filter a 200, I think the exact number they say is 219 square foot room. This is a pretty small room. I wouldn't say it's like 200 feet, but this could definitely filter this room. And apparently it can neutralize particles down to 0.3 microns thick. And that's important because that means it filters a lot of dust and a lot of other small particles that you might not want to breathe in. However, keep in mind that the coronavirus itself is smaller than 0.3 microns, but it does travel in particles that are big enough to be blocked or neutralized by this filter, which is like 0.3 to 0.5 microns. If you want to find out more about the effectiveness of HEPA filters or purifiers on or against coronavirus, be sure to look it up, do some research, and make sure that you find the right sources, because at this time, misinformation is an all-time high. Alright, so my dad just informed me that our house is actually bigger than I think. I thought at first our living room was 12 by 16, but he's just informed me it's about 300 square feet. What you're getting this air filter for is more like a bedroom. In my case, I have an 11 by 14 bedroom, which is around 150 feet, which would definitely fall well within the 200 square feet that this is supposed to operate in. But definitely not like a living room. And what we're going to do now is we're going to open up the bottom, because this will not operate unless the plastic is taken off the filter. So on Amazon, this product has around 12,000 reviews. So it's a bestseller. So that means if you're buying this, you're probably within good reason to believe that it works pretty well. So let me just put this on. Let me just make sure this is the right way. I'm pretty sure this is the right way. Okay. And it looks like there is no particular way to put it. And we can put it on. Oh, hold on. I want to make sure that this is on. Okay. So, like I said, this is a well-reviewed product. And to their credit, it looks pretty well made, actually. Alright, so let's test this while it's plugged in. We particularly want to test out how loud it is. And they do have a sleep mode, so hopefully that should be quieter. Oh wow, I can't imagine something that would be quieter than this. Okay, so that's the first stage. Second stage. Oh wow. Third stage. A huge increase in volume, but you could definitely have a conversation at this level. Just probably not over the filter. You probably need to put it off to the side, but definitely manageable. Okay, let's see how the sleep mode is, because they say this is for when you're sleeping, so it should be, I can't imagine it, but did it turn off? Oh wow, so it's still running. I can still feel a bit of circulation. I can barely hear it. I thought it was turning off too. So actually, like, if you get a foot away from the air purifier, you actually can't hear it at all. At least I can't hear it. But wow, that's pretty good. Okay, so anyway, looking at the other features, it has a timer function. So you can set it to 2 hours. Set it to 2 hours or set it to 4 hours. The touchscreen is a bit hard for me to use. Maybe I need to be directly over it. 6 hours, 8 hours. Pretty self-explanatory. Or you can just turn it off. You also you can turn off the display screen. You can prevent the current settings from being changed. So if I can't tell if it's on or not. If I press this, okay, so my first problem with this is that the touchscreen is a bit hard to use. Maybe do I have to take this off? Maybe that's why. Okay, wait, I need to have you guys see this. Ooh. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we're going to skip over that. And then this. Alright, so I was going over the manual. My mom figured it out. You're actually supposed to hold it for more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try turning it back on and see if we can change the settings. By the way, this doesn't do anything. This is not a button. This is an indicator where it's a check indicator light. So pressing on it does nothing. But if I try to change anything, nothing changes at all. And I'm guessing that they implemented this as a sort of child safety lock to prevent children from like just randomly pressing buttons. Children probably wouldn't think to just like hold down on this lock. So it probably might work as a child safety lock. I apologize to any LEVOIT people who might be watching this who might be thinking like, he didn't do anything right. But in the end, we read the manual and we figured it out. Alright, so because this product has around 12,000 reviews on Amazon, there are probably tons of other videos about it, so we're not going to take up too much time. I just want to say that if you are a smoker or you have pets, this is definitely a good product to get for you because it's very important to have good air circulation in your home. And definitely if you're smoking or you have cats or both, which I don't recommend, by the way. If you have pets, don't smoke. This is definitely a good idea for you to get. What was it? There's one other thing I was going to say. Alright, so overall, first impressions, pretty good. Just make sure that you take the plastic off the filter before you turn it on, of course. It does say that on the cap. Take off the plastic. I think when we bought this, it was $99.99. I think I just checked, and it's $125. So the price may fluctuate up and down, especially due in COVID times. So anyway, we'll link the product in the description down below, but for now we have another product review to do. So go check that out. That's the Toshiba microwave, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the product reviews and unboxings. I was gonna turn this to sleep mode. And I will see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out. Oh, please. Peace. What the heck?